at Valle Verde with Ellen and Aldo. Looking good, Aldo.
Thanks.
Looking good. Thank you, Lord. There's Ellen. Can't decide what to eat. I can't decide what to eat. Much improved. So beautiful, Valle Verde Country.
Yun lang?
I used to love to come here. Maybe I might come here again. Yummy. What's that? Pork chop?
Yep.
Grilled
pork
looks
chop.
good. This is my order since I'm not having bangus on Sunday.
You know, they
And this is Ellen's. This is Ellen's order.
That's my food.
Tignan mo yung ginagawa mo, kunin mo para